Hi, in today's video, I would like to go through a project that I undertook recently to build a dashboard in Power BI for enrollment by district in the school system for elementary and secondary education, and as well as high school for the state of Massachusetts. The files for this project were basically from the Department of Education's website for Massachusetts. And I did take into consideration data for 2020, 2019, and 2018. So it was kind of like a 3-year look back into the enrollment of students. And the files, all three files are very exactly the same, meaning they have the same sort of fields listed here in terms of column headings, as well as the district, and all this is pretty similar. So that being said, the next step was, and this is actually a built-out report already, if there is an interest in kind of learning as to how this was done, let me know, and I'm more than happy to provide a more detailed video. But that being said, the data was inputted. I did run a couple of lines of code to scrub the data for all three files so that I didn't have to do it for each and every file, meaning manually clean the data for each and every file. Also, if you notice here, as compared to the Excel file, I removed the headers, as well as there were a couple of stars in the file, which according to the Department of Education, those stars were basically there because the data was very minimal and enrollment was actually less than 6, I believe. So the next step was to model the data. And so the data was basically modeled for this, since all the data was very similar for all 3 years. I kind of merged all three files into the enrollment data, which is used that as a fact table, and built out another spreadsheet for year, and kind of linked them together. And then the last step was to build a dashboard where I used one card to kind of build out like the total enrollment numbers by year. And next to it, I built a splicer to filter the data. So if I click on if I click on a specific, say, district, it'll kind of tailor the numbers of the summary to that specific district. The other thing also was to kind of break it down by year and have that ability to do so. And also build a kind of like a pivot table underneath that. Also kind of built a gauge over here. I'm not sure if it's working correctly, but this is kind of an overview of what was built, for the enrollment data. And the story from this is basically provides numbers of enrollment and kind of helps a user compare numbers either from year to year or by district. Hope this video's helped. Thank you for watching, and hope I can make other videos for you soon. Thank you.